My name's Curtis. I have Alaska Powervac, and we specialize in cleaning heating systems and furnaces, plugged up boilers, and we can suck insulation out of your attic if you have do some remodel job, or if you have a fire, and we can get rid of all the blown in insulation. And well, I kind of seen a need in the valley because with the construction going on, and everyone was complaining about dust in their house and dust blowing around and dust on their furniture, and so I kind of got into doing this. I looked for what I could use for a tool to do this work, and I came up with the truck-mounted vacuum, which has the power of 200 vacuum cleaners. And what we do is we hook a 10-inch hose into your furnace, or if you have a plugged up boiler, we stick the hose in there and get rid of all the soot and blow the soot out and suck it out. But as far as the ventilation systems goes, the ladies really like it because they don't have to dust near as often. Furniture stays nice and clean. The air smells different in their house. It's lighter. We've even had people that's had some health issues and that were going through allergy shots because their indoor air pollution's getting to be a big thing. And now with the price of energy going up, you get 35 thousandths of buildup of dirt on your furnace fan. It cuts your efficiency in half. The problem when you put a new furnace in with the old heating system is that all the dirt that's in the ventilation system ends up in your new furnace. And how it does that is because the new furnace blows so much harder and moves so much air since it's new that all the dirt that's inside your heating system and your ventilation gets blown through your house and gets sucked up and goes into your furnace because your filter can only catch so much. And especially with these electronic air filters, what will happen is it'll plug them up and then it just flows right through the electronic air filter and then comes down inside your furnace. And so what we need to do is we need to hook into the ventilation system with the truck, the vacuum on the truck, and then we'll put the whole unit in a vacuum, and then we'll go through and clean all the registers, all the trunk lines, and then we'll come back out here and then we'll clean out the furnace because it's already filthy, and then the other material that we get that doesn't get through the trunk, we'll get it all sucked out. And so now you're going to have a clean system and you'll have a clean furnace, so you'll be back to where your efficiency is on your furnace. So, because if you buy a new furnace and you put it in, it's one of them 96 or 98% efficient furnaces. Well, when you first turn it on, you just lost your efficiency because it blows so much air and you get it filled with dirt and it plugs it up. And if you get 35 thousandths of buildup inside your furnace fan, that'll cut your efficiency in half right there and on your airflow. And then when you restrict your airflow, what happens? Your heat exchanger inside your furnace gets hotter because you don't have enough air blowing over it, and so it shortens the life of your heat exchanger and shortens the life of your furnace. So it's actually a really good thing to keep the maintenance up because it costs a lot of money to have a new furnace put in. oil-fired boiler. And one thing about the oil-fired boiler is it needs a little more maintenance than usual. And when you come in and you see this is soot buildup from inside the boiler, and what's happened, it starts plugging up and it starts blowing it out the stack out here, and it'll blow it out this inspection hole here, and any place it can find any crack, it'll just start leaving it around there. And that's the first sign that the boiler is starting to plug up, when you just first start seeing this little combustion residue here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open this boiler up. We disconnected the power, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to start brushing it and sucking it out and cleaning it up.